Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Delicy. So today is Vlogmas day 3, and today we're gonna prepare the fruits for the black cake. I'm gonna go to the kitchen right now. I'm gonna make myself a cup of hot chocolate and maybe a toast. Before I get into this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, let's get into this video. So now I'm gonna try the hot chocolate and I'll let you guys know how it tastes. It's actually good. It's good, y'all. 10 out of 10. Okay, so here are the ingredients for soaking the fruits. We're gonna start off with the rum, Baltic red wine. I got my cherries, raisins, prunes, and mixed fruits as well.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 gram on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. Bank on it. You can put 100 gram on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I learned. Lily, oh, 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 lily, oh.
Hey guys, so after I finished prepping my fruits, I didn't come back on camera. I went and washed my hair, took a shower, washed my hair. So we're gonna head to the kitchen right now and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna prepare. Some ribs and mashed potatoes. So let's get dinner started. Let me turn the light on. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now we're gonna start cooking. I'm hungry and yeah, let's start. So I like to wrap my ribs in foil and put it on the baking tray and put it in the oven. I like it cooked that way. This way is a little bit longer, but you get the ribs to fall off the bones. So I'm gonna proceed and pop the ribs in the oven, and then I'm gonna move on to the mashed potatoes.
When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah.
Alright guys, so my dinner is finished. I am gonna go and eat. Before I leave, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also click that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.